Look at that, he's sleeping. That's really cute. He's going to sleep a little earlier than I would, but that's okay. So this is the device here itself, and everything that I got with the order. So I got the box for the Vital Bracelet, the promo Pulsemon card, which is super cute. Love the art. I really like the design of him overall. My 4 dim cards that I got. I have 2 more on the way with, I want to say Volcanomon and Frost something Mon. I'll talk about them when I get them. But I got the Black Roar, which I'm really excited about. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the Black Howl. Hopefully I can get him at a later date. But as an alternative, I do have Gabumon, Agumon, which came in that dual pack. I got of course, Pulsemon, which came with the Vital Bracelet. The Versus Memory Chip, which is used to do local battles. And the watch itself, which currently I have Coromon in there, which is actually the Coromon from the Black Roar. So this will actually turn into a Black Agumon, hopefully. I don't think Black Agumon has an alternate like evolution path, so I think it'll just go right into that one, which is fine. So this is my day 1 impressions of the Vital Bracelet, the Digimon Vital Bracelet, specifically the black one that I've already shown off. I didn't get to really take video of my my outdoor adventure today. I will be doing that in these subsequent videos in this series. But just as like a day 1 impression, I went out for a walk for a couple hours for about 12,000 steps or so. I had my Pulsemon with me the entire time, as well as my Coromon for my Black Roar dim card. Pulsemon did extremely well in most battles. I don't know if it was in terms of my vitality. I'm kind of still learning the nuances of this device and the game overall, and the app and all of that. I'm also really into the various art styles that they've chosen for the cards as well, because with both Agumon and Gabumon, they chose I believe the key art from the new Digimon Adventure 2020 anime. You have the original Digimon card art for the Blue Metal Greymon, and of course the newest art for Bulkmon here in Impulse City card. When my Coromon was digivolving, or sorry, my Botamon was digivolving to Coromon on my Black Roar card, it actually once again used that original card art. So I'd be really interested to see if the Botamon from this card would use the anime Coromon that's different from this one, or if they'll use the same one. So I have to find that out, but either way, the varying art styles depending on the season is really cool, which also makes me want to see other cards from other seasons to see if they utilize their art style. It'd be really, really cool. In terms of my first impressions of the device, it definitely kept me motivated to keep doing the exercises while I was doing the adventure challenge modes. It gives you a clear goal of how many levels it wants you to go through. So the first one is it wants you to go through 15 levels, which is good because those are about 1,000 steps each. A little hard to do in one day, but it really just it makes you keep motivated to keep going through those levels and get your steps, your exercise in. But it also has fun little adventure challenges, or sorry, special challenges that are different exercises. So there'd be one for doing squats, there'd be one for a dash. I think there's one for crunches as well, which will help get you different trophies and different evolution paths for your Digimon, which is really cool. So I think there is a lot of potential for this device as a actual proper fitness device. Comparing it to my regular Fitbit, maybe not as accurate, but it doesn't seem actually too far off in terms of steps. I'm actually gonna, maybe in tomorrow's video I will compare the two. I'll start them both at 0 steps, put them both on at the same time, go on my Digimon adventure, and report back with the accuracy of the pedometer in this thing. So my weight starting on day 1, or starting weight, fully clothed on the healthometer or healthometer scale, which I think is actually a medical grade scale. So we are starting at approximately 204, 202 pounds. It's not so bad fully clothed, but I'm really excited to see the results of this thing how it goes. I'm going to be tracking my weight every day. This is in addition to also trying to watch what I eat a little bit more, drink more water, just try to be healthier overall. And we're going to see how viable the Vital Bracelet is as a fitness device, and how motivated it keeps me. Now within those challenge levels that I was talking about, those special missions such as doing the crunches or the dash or whatever it may be, you earn your trophies, which are used to level up and evolve your Digimon. So I'm hoping what we can do is at least get these guys to champion tomorrow. Got to be putting Pulsemon through a little bit more battles. We're going to try some of the touch link battles, which is just touching the watch straight to an NFC touch point, such as a train station NFC reader, whether it be a Presto machine, which is what we have locally. We're going to try to get at least to Blue Greymon tomorrow and to Bulkmon tomorrow as well. That's our goal. That's our goal for day 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are as excited about this Digimon adventure as I am. If you got the Digimon Vital Bracelet, let me know which Digimon you're using in your Vital Bracelet right now. What you're most excited for, maybe upcoming Digimon you want in your Vital Bracelet. I am really hoping for a Shoutmon. Personally, that's my favorite Digimon. I really want a Shoutmon in my Vital Bracelet, but it also takes some more Season 3. I'd also love to see Gargomon. Gargomon is one of my favorite all-time Digimon as well. So those are some of my future hopes. Any of the Gen 1s, I'm kind of a Gen 1er when it comes to Digimon as well, so I would love to see some of those. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you are excited to get one of these if they get an English release as well. Alright, thank you so much. Bye.